Now that we have an idea of who created Bitcoin, let's get into the technical data. Bitcoin is the blockchain and its native token is called BTC. Bitcoin, the token, is often described as a cryptocurrency and can be viewed as digital money or a digital currency that is transacted inside the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin's network or blockchain uses a peer-to-peer electronic cash system to operate transactions without the need for intermediary parties such as banks. How does Bitcoin work? As with every blockchain, the heart that runs the blockchain are nodes, and like in our case, miners, because Bitcoin uses proof-of-work consensus. Proof of work is essentially one CPU is equal to one vote. The more CPUs that work for Bitcoin's blockchain, the more votes it has. Let's start with how nodes and miners operate. 1. Nodes inside the Bitcoin blockchain broadcast, or, in simple terms, send and receive transactions to all the other nodes and add them into a block. 2. Nodes work on finding a difficult proof of work for its block. When a node finds a proof of work, it broadcasts the block to all nodes to be accepted. 3. Nodes accept the block only if all the transactions in it are valid and not already spent. 4. After accepting a block, nodes work together with Bitcoin miners using proof of work to mint the current block. 5. After a block is minted, miners start working on the next block to be added to the chain, using the hash of the previously accepted block. Each block has its own unique hash, or in simple terms called a coded message. What is a Bitcoin miner? The miners inside the Bitcoin network are individuals that run ASIC devices that provide high CPU power, also called hash power, for validating transactions and minting new blocks. Miners also earn transaction fees paid in Bitcoin tokens as a reward for minting and adding a block to the blockchain. Miners can also join a mining pool, for example, Foundry USA pool, and work together with other miners to earn more Bitcoin tokens. What is an ASIC? An ASIC is short for Application-Specific Integrated Circuit. Think of them as multi-integrated CPUs that run a specific algorithm for the sole purpose of mining digital currencies, in our case mining Bitcoin tokens. The algorithm that ASIC miners use for mining Bitcoin tokens is called SHA-256, and it's the algorithm that secures the Bitcoin blockchain. Miners buy ASIC devices, synchronize them with the Bitcoin network, and start mining for the Bitcoin blockchain. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach more people through YouTube's algorithm, which can rank us higher.